Hi everyone, welcome to Stock Chart Trends. So in this particular video, we will discuss about some stocks. So what went well for some stocks and what went wrong for some stocks. So if you see guys, like a lot of guys were bullish on AMD today because yesterday it gained too much momentum and mainly from last 3 days it was in momentum like it went from 101 to approximate 109 after hours last night. So like what went wrong so if you guys are on Twitter, so you can follow me on this one, like Just a Charter. So here I have explained last night also, uh, like where should AMD needs to be. So I think this was my last tweet. So I was saying here, AMD was fighting too much yesterday also for the trend. But if you see, this was a crucial sport, which I have mentioned. Like AMD need to be close above this one, but that AMD did well, but uh, it did not hold it today. That's why it went down. If you see the chart again, so this was the main line today. Like in early morning it closes below this one, so that was like totally bad move for AMD. But let's see what's going on with the trend. So AMD is still in upper trend, and the other issue which I'm seeing, like if AMD should not open here, then we may break the this trend also. So it may be bearish for us. Like it may try to get support from this upper trend, like the second upper trend. So that's the main thing for AMD. But if AMD try to set above this area, then we may see a move towards upwards. Like we may see 110 area or 112 or 113 also this week. Sorry guys. So this is regarding AMD. As you see, AMD is still holding this line, which is like for this trend, which is a low for tomorrow. So hoping it will stay above this trend, and we will maintain that trend also. So that is the hope. Let me do one more thing. You see, okay, yeah, still this one. Why I have this one here? Let's see. I think maybe the 4 hours chart is different. Yeah, see this one. I drew it for 4 hours, so it needs to be hold above this area. Like 108 here on 1 hour is I think 107 area, 107.58. It needs to open above this area. So this is for AMD, and the other stocks which went well is AMC. It went $48. Now it's on 45 also. I was giving this stock from like last week. Even I mentioned in my profile. So please try to follow me on Twitter. So I may not post all daily, but because sometimes I do day trading and sometimes I do swing trading. So some stocks which I already posted, I'm not posting every day of those stocks. That's why I just some days I skip the market. If you see like GME, I gave on 13th. Like this was a trend for GME. I was thinking if it holds this trend line, it will go above. I think today GME went to I think 225, which is also a good stock. I think there is more squeeze left in these. You can see so-called meme stocks, but these are like apes, man. Like if you invest in those stocks, it's good for you. For AMC, I have already always posted same day. I think on which day I have posted for GME. I think on 13th. Yeah, 16, 17. There are a lot of signals given by me, and that's why I don't go to my previous signals. So here I posted for AMC, like for calls above this area, for puts under this area. So that was the scenario for AMC. And there's this talk I also gave, like a TTCF. It was on 19th at that time. I think it went down and then it tried to touch that area again. See, that went down to 15, then it came back again. So it's trying to fill the gap. I think it should be a good entry if you want to enter now also. There's still gap, like 20 areas still. It will try to fill this gap also. So that is a good entry point also. And the other stocks I was discussing about, like PFE, Pfizer, AMD I already mentioned. Pfizer I already gave a sell at this point, like because if you see with the Pfizer, so these are some trends which I have drawn. Let me check again. Yeah, this was a previous trend which I was drawn like few time back. So as Pfizer is all-time high, so I was trying like which trend will hold Pfizer for short term. I think Pfizer will go more, but right now it's just fighting for the trend, and this is the trend it's fighting for. I think it need a like good volume to break this trend, and if it try to stay above this trend, then we may see a like run to like 70 area also. For my target is for long term, not for short term, but if we break under this area, we may see retesting at 44. These because if you see like from a few weeks, I think from since 7/19, it's over 1 month that Pfizer is in uptrend. So we may see some retesting for 44 area. So if you see what is 44 a trend line, that is like all-time high before, not all-time high. I think all-time high was 47, I think, on weekly. But if you see 44, it went to in December, so it will try to retest that area again. Let's see. There are multiple stocks I gave last night also, like when I was trying to check the stocks. At that time I was not in front of my computer. I was trying to check the trends on my phone. So I gave a lot of plays yesterday also. Like I said, like this morning I said like CLOV is good for long leaps. So I bought some leap calls on CLOV. And the last night I gave like CLOV, RKT, VXRT, OCGN, and MVIS. I think most ran. I only OCGN is it went down today, but I'm overall bullish on OCGN. It went down, but it didn't went that much down. But still, it didn't play what I was thinking. RKT is up at 18. I think it went well, like 50 cents, no, 30 to 40 cents today. And VXRT, it went to $9 today. It's still on 9, but it went to like 9.05. And MVIS, so it also crossed this trend, so which is a good thing for like stockholders who was holding the stock. I see a good momentum last night. That's why I gave the signal last night also. And CLOV, I think CLOV is also, it broke the trend today. That's why I gave it like that time. So it still looks good. The other thing I want to mention, like we may see some bull runs this for maybe this week and next week, but Let's see how long those bull runs will hold. We may get some squeeze, and may see some good plays, and then I think after that maybe some sell-off will come. Like it may be like a 10% correction to SPY. So even I want to show SPY right now. SPY is struggling. SPY is struggling in this area. So even before that it touched this area, went down. I think it did like a couple of times. Here also it touched this area, went down, touched this area, went down. So I have like two different lines, and now they are mixing each other. That's why you see like going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Let's see if try to hold this area. That's why I'm more curious, like if it went to like this area and then come down like 45 means maybe 410 or maybe 430 area. That may be a huge drop.